good morning mga kapatid, good afternoon and good evening kung nasan man kayo ng panig ng lugar. So for today's vlog, I would want to teach you on how to wash your hand properly. Ayan. Dahil sa mga isang sakit ngayon, kailangan natin alamin kung paano ang tamang paghugas ng kamay. So first of all, of course, you should wet your hands with water, yan. And then, apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. So, mas maganda kung yung soap nyo is liquid. Yan. Apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. Okay? Kung liquid yung soap nyo, mas maganda. Yan. So, apply. And then, rub your hands palm to palm. Pag palm to palm, ito po, palm to palm. Ayan. Palm to palm. And then, right palm over the left dorsum with interlaced finger. So, ito yung dorsum, ito yung palm. So, ang gagawin natin, yung right palm mo, ito yung dorsum mo, iibabaw mo siya dyan, and then, i-rub mo siya like this. Yan. Rub it like that. After that, palm to palm with fingers interlaced. So, pagkatapos nitong right, yung left naman. Siyempre, para pantay. Diba? Para pantay. And then, palm to palm with finger interlaced. Ganito po yun. Yan. Palm to palm with finger interlaced. Ayan. After this one, back of the fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlock. Like this one. Yan. Like this one po. So, ganyan. Rub your backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlock. Okay? Yan. So, after this one, yung rotational rubbing of left thumb, ito, yung left thumb, claps in the right palm and vice versa. Like that. Yan. Yan. Then yung kabila din. Okay. And then, rotational rubbing of backwards and towards with claps fingers of the right hand in the left palm and vice versa. Ito yung palm mo, ito yung fingers mo, rotational rubbing like that. Yan. Yan. Yan mga kapatid. So, sa kabila din. Yan. And then, rinse your hand with water, of course. Ayan. I-rinse na natin yung hand natin with water. Rinse it with water. Yan. Pag-rinse natin ng water, wipe nyo yung hands nyo with a clean, damp cloth or a tissue paper. Okay? With a clean, damp cloth or tissue paper. I will use tissue paper sa oras na to. Okay? So, yan. Wipe it. And then, close this faucet using also tissue paper. Like that. So, syempre, i-throw na natin to. I-discard mo na tong tissue na to. So, i-discard na natin yan. To learn how to wash your hands properly, lalo na sa mga nauusong sakit ngayon. Nung nag-aaral pa nga ako ng nursing, ang tinuro sa amin na paghuhugas ng kamay ay dapat kumanta ka ng happy birthday by doing that procedure na tinuro ko sa inyo. Okay? So mga kapatid, maraming salamat for watching. I hope you like this video. For those of you guys na bagong-bago dito sa channel ko, please subscribe po kayo and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo ng mga susunod nating vlog, okay? I hope na nasa okay kayo ng kalagayan. Pray, wash your hands properly, eat good foods, drink vitamins, drink lots of water, and also
pray tayo na maprotektahan tayo ni God. Okay? God bless you, God loves you, and God be with you. Bye-bye!